So I'm here with Clinton Wood. Clinton, a new starter at ETG. Tell us about your role here at the company.
My role is Regional Sales Manager for the South West, and that incorporates South Wales.
Okay, so you experienced in this field of sales, or this industry, should we say?
I am experienced in this industry. I've actually been in sales for nearly 25 years with tooling companies. Predominantly, this is the first move into machine tool sales.
That's often a good mix, really, because you got the background of the tool inside, the area, the territory, and also the technologies that are applied to machine tools. So now coming into machine tools, this is an area for you. Well, could you have picked a better company, do you think, when you look at the products that you've got to sell in your portfolio?
Well, that's right what you're saying, that my experience with machine tools has always been through the tooling, but you're always very experienced and you know what's good and what's bad out there. And with ETG, it's a shear-on company, and so we have one of the best machines on the market, but we also have agency with Nakamura Tomy, and they're one of the best mill-turn machines on the market.
And it covers all areas as well, though, doesn't it? When you look around here today, Hardinge, Bridgeport, Quasar, now with the the HK side with the 3D printing and the EDM, there isn't much that you can't offer your area.
No, we have a serious stable of products now, which is great because we're a turnkey specialist, and we need to be able to select the right machines for the right components, rather than, or this is what we have, that we'll have to use that. We have the options, and we select the right machine for the product.
The right job. Just tell us again your area and roughly where that covers, so for people watching, if they're interested, they know whether you're servicing their account.
I'm based in Gloucestershire, and I travel down to Exeter and across to Plymouth, and then all the way back up again, and South Wales.